Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got a really nice external solid-state drive that I'd like to show you. It's from a company called Orico, and it's either a 1 terabyte or a 2 terabyte enclosure that has a really fast solid-state drive inside. And the best part is it's small, it's portable, it's magnetic. You can snap it on the back of your phone. You can use it with your computer. So it's some of the fastest storage capabilities on the planet inside of a really small, tiny aluminum case, which is great. Now, I've reviewed products from Orico before. They make some really solid products, and this is the latest version of their external solid-state drive. It's called the K20 Mini, and it comes in a 1 terabyte and a 2 terabyte configuration. Now, before I get too deep into all the wonderful things you can do with the solid-state drive, I always like to show you what's included with the package. So let's start with that, then I'll talk more about the product. So when you first open up the box, you'll find the solid-state drive. It's really small. I mean, it fits in your palm, incredibly light. It's an aluminum case, so it's incredibly durable. And it's got a magnetic attachment on the back, which is great if you've got an iPhone or any other phone that has that type of attachment on the back where you can charge it through a Qi charger. They also include a cable. Now, this short cable, this one in particular is designed for newer phones like the iPhone. I think it's the 16 that has the USB-C connection on it. Mine's an older style iPhone, but it's not a big deal. It's a standard cable. But the USB end plugs into the solid-state drive, and the other end plugs into your phone. You'll also find a connection ring, because some of the phones you're using a case, and maybe the case is too thick for you to actually use the magnetic attachment. You can adhere this to your case, and then this unit will snap right on that ring. They also include a full instruction manual which explains everything you could possibly want to know about the solid-state drive and how to use it, how to connect it, how to format it, all the things you're going to care about. So always read through the manual to make sure you get the best value out of the product. Now, where I use this, and I use it an awful lot, is I use it with my iPhone. So the iPhone itself has gotten so much better as far as the image quality you can record and the videos you can record. I mean, a couple of years ago, 1080p was the standard. Then 4K was introduced at 30 frames a second. Then 4K at 60, 4K at 120. Now you've got ProRes type of recordings on there. And the challenge is with a recording that big, you get phenomenal quality, but it takes up a lot of space. And you don't have a lot of space on your iPhone. So what this allows you to do is to snap it on the back of your phone, connect the cable, and it shows up as external storage, and it'll handle ProRes video. So you can record those beautiful footage moments where you've got things out there in the field you want to record, or family and friends, and it'll record it right to the solid-state drive. You can disconnect it, connect it up to your computer, and start your editing process. The other place I use it is I travel an awful lot. And I'm constantly bringing different documents with me and different things with me that I need on the road when I'm working. This is a wonderful external drive. I can plug it into my computer. It shows up as a thumb drive would show up. And I've got a terabyte of space on there, again, based on solid-state drive specifications, which, by the way, the transfer rate on this, 2,000 megabytes a second. That's incredibly fast. You can take a 4 gig movie and move it to the solid-state drive in a matter of seconds. So it's not only fast, it's small, it's portable, it takes up no room in my computer case at all. And when I'm out there recording footage in the field, I can attach it to my phone and just record to my heart's content. Now, Orico's a company, again, like I'd mentioned, that makes a wide range of products. This is their latest version, if you will, of their external solid-state drive, the K20 Mini. But they've got other docking stations for Apple products and other memory products like this that you can look into. But I like them an awful lot. And again, I've tested their products extensively, and they just hold up. I have a solid-state drive from them from 2 years ago that I've been using virtually every day when I'm on the road, and it's working just like the day I got it when I open up the box. So I like the company a lot. I really like this product a lot. And if you're looking for a way to increase the capacity on your cell phone or your computer or anything really, even your home computer, NVMe, or SSD in this case, is as fast as you're going to find in external storage products like this. So for me, the price is right, the capacity's right, the form factor is perfect. So if you're interested in something like this, this may be the product for you. Anyway, that's all I had for today. Thanks an awful lot for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this quick review. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.